What up guys? Welcome back to one more video. And today we're gonna talk about something really special. We have in front of us Oscar Piastri's McLaren F1 car, number 81. And we will have today a special guest on our video. So keep watching and you'll see what I'm talking about. This thing isn't just fast, it's a rocket ship disguised as a race car. And Piastri, the Aussie sensation, just won the Chinese Grand Prix, proving he's not just here to participate, he is here to dominate. Just look at this masterpiece. It's full of technology, full of carbon fiber, a lot of crazy hacks that you wouldn't even imagine. Welcome to this crazy experience. Oh, and did I mention Oscar Piastri is making a cool $41 million a year? Not bad for a guy in his early 20s, right? And this MCL38 in Papaya Spark is a masterpiece of engineering, built to be as light and aerodynamic as possible. And under the hood, well, technically behind Piastri's head, sits a 1.6 liter turbocharged hybrid V6. That's right, 1.6 liters. It's smaller than the engine in most hatchbacks, but it produces over 1,000 horsepower. Mate, that's like squeezing a thunderstorm in a soda can. And now, let's talk aerodynamics. The McLaren features redesigned side pods and an ultra-efficient front wing, all working together to slice through the air like a fighter jet. And those side wings, they create crazy amount of downforce, basically sticking the car to the track like a magnet. And speaking of sticking to the track, the Pirelli F1 spec tires are engineered to handle extreme forces, gripping the asphalt at over 300 kilometers an hour, like if they are made of super glue. But despite all this, if the engineers get the setup even slightly wrong, the car becomes undrivable. F1 is basically a high-speed science experiment with millions of dollars on the line. No pressure, right? And now, the moment has come. Let's welcome the special guest of the video. That's right, it's our magnificent 750S Triple Crown Edition. And this is not just any 750S, it's a tribute to McLaren's legendary racing history. The name Triple Crown is a big deal in motorsport. McLaren is one of the only teams that have won the three most prestigious races in the world: the Monaco Grand Prix, the Indianapolis 500, and the 24 Hours of Le Mans. Winning any one of these is tough, but winning three? That puts you in elite company, and this 750S celebrates that legacy. I just got distracted. And now, let's talk about the stunning Monaco White paint. It commemorates the Monaco Grand Prix winning, making this car a car full of history and legacy. Also, underneath this stunning Monaco White paint, you get a twin-turbo 4-liter V8, pushing out more than 740 horsepower. This thing is brutally fast. 0 to 100 in just 2.8 seconds. Can you believe that? That's faster than you can say I need one. And this car is history. And not only that, it's unique. This is one of 60 worldwide. And inside the cabin, it's a mix of luxury and racing DNA. You get a premium materials, but everything is still focused on performance. It's the perfect blend of speed, history, and exclusivity. The aerodynamics are also dialed in, with an active rear wing that adjusts based on speed and braking to keep the car stable and planted. Oh my god, so many distractions around. So what do you think? Does this Triple Crown edition does justice to McLaren legendary wins? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more epic car content. And just wait. I have a little surprise for you. Just keep watching. So whether it's F1 technology or road-going insanity, McLaren knows how to build fast cars. And if you love this kind of content, stick around. I've got a lot more coming your way.